Word problem based on set. Example: in a class of 70 students, 45 students like to play cricket, 52 students like to play kho-kho. All the students like to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play cricket or kho-kho? Solution: we will solve this example in two ways. Method 1. Total number of students is equal to 70. Let A be the set of students who like to play cricket. Let B the set of students who like to play kho-kho. Hence the number of students who like to play cricket or kho-kho is n of A union B. Therefore n of A union B is equal to 70. Number of students who like to play both cricket and kho-kho is equal to n of A intersection B. N of A is equal to 45 and n of B is equal to 52. We know n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Therefore, n of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B is equal to 45 plus 52 minus 70 is equal to 27. Therefore, the number of students who like to play both the games are 27. Number of students who like to play kho-kho are 45. Therefore, number of students who like to play only cricket is 45 minus 27 is equal to 18. Therefore, A intersection B is the set of students who play the both games. Therefore, n of A intersection B is equal to 27. Method 2. Given information can be shown by Venn diagram as follows. Let n of A intersection B is equal to x. N of A is equal to 45, n of B is equal to 52. We know that n of A union B is equal to 70. Therefore, n of A intersection B is equal to x is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B is equal to 45 plus 52 minus 70 is equal to 27. Student who like to play only cricket is equal to 45 minus 27 is equal to 18.